Okay, so as you can see, we've got all our grass clippings in this area here. What I do with this is once it gets to a certain, I can start pushing it all the way back into the undergrowth. Obviously we're not near a watercourse here. The nearest watercourse is about 300 yards, 400 yards that way. We've got no direct link into that. So we just use this as our grass storage. Obviously we get all the verticutting grass clippings and we just put it in here. So literally tip it all out, and as you could see when I was doing the verticutting, the main things beforehand I was picking up were bigger bits like this. I didn't really want those going through the verticut unit. Same again for the mowing, you wouldn't really want those going through, whereas if you've got, you know, like a single leaf, not too worried about those. But it was these mainly bigger bits you could see that I was picking up off the cricket wicket to stop any damage to the machine or the surface. But so that's where we keep our grass clippings. And then as for the machine and cleaning off, because it's a dry day, I don't really want to get the machine wet. So what we'll do is we'll use the air blower and we'll blow all the loose debris off rather than getting it wet. So as you can see, goggles on, and then all what we're doing is just removing this is just to stop any more water maybe getting on the bearings, into the bearing housings. These are obviously sealed units in the bearing housing, so trying to keep the water out as best we can. So whenever we're possible, we're always using airline to get the machine clean. Excellent. So what we'll do now is we've finished the machine. What I normally do at the end of the day is leave most of the machinery out until at the end of the day, and then we all put it all back in the shed and lock everything up. So the machine now will just stay to the side of the shed until the end of the day, and then we'll put it away afterwards. But that is verticutting.